got an amazing response for its first ever model, the Lucid Air. The company is working on making its customer experience better than anything present in the market. Lucid has also teamed up with InMoment and its product experience improvement XI. In today's video, we will learn about the customer experience Lucid has to offer to its customers, and is it any different from what is already happening in the automobile industry. Also, we will go over major details about the company InMoment and how it will affect the customer experience Lucid is hoping to provide. As we dive deep into the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share your thoughts about the video in the comment section. We use your comments to make our videos better every day. Lucid Motors is bound to change the way people look at luxury vehicles. The specs of the Lucid Air are already quite excellent, and the company is now focused on making the customer experience exceptional. For this purpose, Lucid has decided to team up with InMoment and use the experience improvement platform. This will be a chance for the company to get much-needed insight and use it to make the customer experience unlike anything in the market. Lucid will be making good use of the new Vehicle Customer Study (NVCS) to get vital information about the customers. All this will result in enhanced ownership and purchase experience for the customers. InMoment could be just the right company to help Lucid achieve this goal. InMoment is not a new company. It has been the top name in customer experience enhancing companies. This company believes that businesses often look at the wrong things to enhance their customers' experiences. These things are found through old sources such as customer feedback. Nowadays, everything has changed, and InMoment has just the right things to match this change to a different approach towards business initiatives. Experience Improvement XI is focused on three main fronts: customer needs, employee needs, and business needs. XI uses all these three at once to make an intersection of value and then focuses on it. InMoment will be doing all of this for Lucid as well. The company will use state-of-the-art technology and combine it with decades of human experience it has. The intersection point will be found out for Lucid, where the business, employee, and customer need will all be joining. Lucid is already working on making a unique and differentiated experience for all its customers. InMoment claims that experiences are emotional, personal, and dynamic. It is why these are very difficult to understand. According to InMoment, Lucid will have to find out what are the most emotional and highly impacting moments for its customers. This will make a deep connection between the customers and Lucid. Next up, the employees must be trained to seize every moment they can get to enhance the customer's experience. InMoment believes that organizations must be open to new changes and environments. This allows them to be adaptive to changing times. InMoment also makes good use of social media and surveys to predict future trends. It'll be very important for Lucid to understand what the public thinks about the company and how it can make itself better. Customer success and Lucid. Let us take a deep look at what Lucid currently has to offer to its customers and how things are done in terms of the purchasing experience. Lucid has a network of showrooms that it calls Lucid Studios. Customers will directly get their vehicles from these studios. The studios are owned by Lucid and have staff employed by Lucid. Lucid Studios plays a pivotal role in creating value for the customers. These studios are filled with tech and luxury to the greatest extent. The company has opened these studios in Miami and West Palm Beach, while 20 more are expected to open very soon. These studios not only show the Lucid Air to potential customers, but also show what the company stands for. Dedication, inspiration, craftsmanship, beauty, and innovation are part of every aspect of the studios. People can go there or see how a Lucid Air looks and feels like in real life. This is not something very unusual. What is unusual is the VR technology present at the studios. People can be given a virtual test drive of the Lucid Air with the help of VR and high-tech cabin equipment. This also comes into use when customers are configuring different aspects of their cars. VR can be used to show how the interior and the exterior of the car will be once it is produced and delivered to the customers. The company also has service centers and mobile service operations. There are 20 locations decided by Lucid where these studios will be open through the year 2021. These are in Los Angeles, San Jose, Miami, West Palm Beach, New York City, DC, and Newark. Many other locations are also being considered by the company. The reservation for a Lucid vehicle can be done from home through the website. Once the reservation is done, the customers will be invited to the studios for the configuration of their vehicles as the production of their car starts. The delivery process is not yet started by the company as the product has not yet begun. Customers who opt to buy a Lucid are also expected to get a $7,500 federal tax credit in the United States. However, there are many other incentives given by individual states. Charging an EV is also an important part of the EV owning experience. Customers from the United States will also get 3 years of free charging at all Electrify America stations on the purchase of any Lucid model. The mobile charger with the cars can be plugged into common electrical outlets as well. Any charging station that has the Combined Charging System (CCS) can charge a Lucid without the need of an adapter. The charging station network Lucid relies on minimizes range anxiety for the customers and delivers a worry-free EV ownership. Lucid has access to over 440 charging stations working under Electrify America. It translates into more than 2,000 charging stalls. These can deliver a charging power of up to 350 kilowatts when needed. Lucid claims that the charging station network is well spread and 96% of Americans can reach an Electrify America charging station within 120 miles of their location. The range of Lucid vehicles is also quite impressive. A fully charged Lucid Air gives more range than any luxury sedan that is running on an internal combustion engine. The Lucid Air is charged using a 900-volt charging architecture. This means that the car can be charged with 300 miles of range within 20 minutes. Lucid plans to deliver a very versatile customer experience when it comes to the charging of its cars. Owners can also charge their cars at home in 2 ways. One way is to buy and permanently install a Lucid charging station at home. Another way is to get a high-voltage outlet installed at home. Lucid does not want to fall behind other car makers by not offering an autonomous driving system. The Lucid Dream Drive ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System will play a pivotal role in making the ownership experience desirable. The system runs on 32 sensors that include visual and non-visual ones. It also gives the users advanced safety features such as blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and cross-traffic alerts. Lucid plans to bring in many new features with time, as it can be done with the help of over-the-air updates. There is a long list of countries that can order a Lucid vehicle. It shows that the company is planning to cater to the global market very soon. Currently, 19 countries can order a Lucid. These include North American countries, European countries, and some Gulf states. Apart from planning to rule the automobile world, Lucid also plans to deliver exemplary customer experiences. The company has partnered with InMoment to use their Experience Enhancement XI system to get a clear picture of what impact the tactics have on the customers and the public. This is just the right time to collaborate with such a company, as Lucid will have a clear picture of how Lucid Air has been received in the market and what can be done to make it better. Lucid has a very convenient booking process after which customers are invited to studios to configure the cars. Lucid Studios are state-of-the-art showrooms that not just show the cars, but also give insight into the company as well. These studios also use VR technology for virtual test drives and vehicle configuration. Lucid also gives its customers the ease of large network and charging stations and options for home charging. With that note, we end today's video. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.